Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi. Today we'll discuss the editorial page of Hindu paper. And today's topic is vaccine for all. This is today's topic will say about the on COVID-19 vaccine policy. India needs a COVID-19 vaccine policy that ensure total coverage in logical phase. Means India needs a COVID-19 vaccine. Means it needs a COVID-19 vaccine to for policy that ensure total coverage in logical phase. The race to a vaccine is relay. At every stage there are people passing on the baton, and it's the government's responsibility to grasp it at the last mile. Means the race to the vaccine is very high. So at every stage there are people passing on the baton. Means at every stage there were many people getting virus, and it's the government's responsibility to grasp at the last mile. So it is the government's responsibility to grasp the last mile. Whether or not a vaccine for COVID-19 is around the corner, means maybe a vaccine for COVID-19 is around the corner. Means it is around the corner. Means it is somewhat related to the vaccine. It is imperative that the vaccine policy is formulated for India, ensuring a parity of access for all. Means the vaccine policy is formulated for India. Means the vaccine policy was formulated in India, ensuring parity of access for all. Means giving equal importance for everyone. As several vaccine efforts are progressing at varying paces globally, concerns about access to a vaccine in the future have crept into the narrative. WHO Director General Tedros recently spoke of the need to use a vaccine. Means WHO Director recently spoke about the need to use the vaccine when it becomes available effectively. Means when it is available for us. He said that uses of vaccine means when it is very effective and available for us. He also indicated the need of priorities vaccination for some in the initial stages. Means he also said that the need of priorities means the vaccination is given for some in the initial stages only, while in time as production increases people everywhere should get it. Means as the production increases they should get this vaccine everywhere. In the initial stages, global health leaders have been advising the vaccine for essential workers and those at risk, including senior citizens and those with comorbidities. Means they are offering more vaccines in the initial stage. Global health leaders have been advising. Means they were advising the vaccine for essential workers, those who are in the risk, including the senior citizens, and those with, and means they were giving advice for them. As WHO has said that, as WHO said, some people in all countries rather than all the people in some countries. So it said that some people in all countries rather than all people in some countries should have access to the vaccine in the early phase. Means some people in all countries, means all the people should get the vaccine in an early phase. Even in this initial stage, the government should make the vaccine available free of cost to those who cannot pay. Means the government should also give the vaccine for a free cost those who are available to pay the rate for it. As production kicks off, initial production costs are likely to be high, even astronomical, and it is the duty of governments to cushion the cost. Means as the production kicks means as the production increases, the initial production costs are likely to be high. Means the as it was new, the initial cost was very high for it, so it is the duty of government to somewhat decrease the cost for it. Once the economies of scale begin to kick in, it is likely that the prices are driven down and become more affordable. Means after it came into use, it may decrease the rate for it. So as the demand increases, they will decrease the rate for it. Besides being a moral and ethical improvement, it will also make economic sense to have sure the vaccine is eventually available to all. Means this vaccine is available to all at all the stages. They may also give the vaccine for the free cost if we demand. Putting down a standard operation protocol for every stage of the vaccine will serve the government when the baton is finally passed on it. Means putting down the standard means after putting down the standard operational protocol for every stage of the vaccine, the government will serve means it will serve well on the baton finally passed on it. Mobilization for this task in India should be nothing short of heroic, as in when the vaccine is available here. So if the vaccine is available here, so the India should not be nothing short of heroic. Meanwhile, the government must get its act together on developing the policy specific to the COVID-19 vaccine. So meanwhile, while we get the vaccine, the our Indian government, the government must get it. Means the government should get its act together to develop the specific conditions for COVID-19 vaccine. For preparing resources, both material and human, for the manufacture, storage, distribution, and delivery. Means the government should be together on developing the policy specific to the COVID-19 for the manufacture, storage, and distribution, and for even distribution it should be available. This indicates taking sensitive but firm decisions guided by evidence on whom will receive the vaccine, how, when, and where. Means it will be given by the government. The decision will be taken by the government when the vaccine will, after preparing it, when the vaccine will be released, and when they will take the vaccine. So these will be given by the government. So we'll discuss some of the meanings from today's topic. Huddling means gather or flock. Example, everyone huddled around the fire to keep warm. Faded means face or accept. He kept his hostility hidden behind a friendly faded. Combative, ready or eager to fight, or aggressive. When the police tried to arrest him, he became combative. Overwhelmed, have a strong emotional effect or huge mass. Baton means stick, rod, or wand. She trips the baton as the pedal passed by. Grasp, hold firmly, or something which is important. It was hard to grasp what the professor was getting at. Imperative, crucial or essential thing. She considered it a moral imperative to help people in need. So these are today's meanings, and this is today's topic. Thank you.